nunca. Bueno. Piñuf. Bueno. Piñuf. Bueno.
Microsoft Windows quietly powered the modern world. It wasn't flashy, it wasn't perfect, but it was everywhere. From small offices to global corporations, from schools to government institutions, Windows became the default operating system for billions of people. Most users didn't think about Windows, and that was the point. But today, something has changed. For the first time in decades, the world's most dominant operating system is facing visible resistance. Millions of users are actively refusing to upgrade. Businesses are delaying adoption, and trust in Microsoft is slowly eroding. This isn't just a software update problem, it's a signal. Because when a platform this large struggles to move forward, it usually means something deeper is happening beneath the surface. Today, we break down the Windows 11 crisis through 6 major decisions that reshaped Microsoft's most important product, the vision Microsoft sold. When Microsoft announced Windows 11, it was not positioned as a routine update. Instead, it was presented as a reset, a clear signal that Microsoft wanted to redefine what personal computing should feel like in the next decade. The company leaned heavily into design. Rounded corners replaced sharp edges. The taskbar moved to the center. Animations slowed down and softened. Windows was no longer supposed to feel mechanical. It was supposed to feel calm, approachable, modern. Microsoft compared the experience to the simplicity of smartphones and tablets, suggesting that Windows needed to evolve with user expectations. But visuals were only one part of the promise. Behind the design, Microsoft claimed that Windows 11 was built specifically for modern hardware. They promised faster wake times, better memory management, and smarter multitasking. Applications were supposed to launch faster. Background processes were supposed to interfere less. The entire system was meant to feel smoother and more responsive. Security became a central talking point. Microsoft emphasized hardware-based protection, arguing that the modern threat landscape demanded stronger foundations. Features like Secure Boot, virtualization-based security, and deep cloud integration were presented as necessary upgrades for a connected world. On paper, Windows 11 sounded logical. It looked like the natural next step for a platform that had dominated computing for decades. But as details emerged, enthusiasm began to fade. All right, everyone. Today we explored the Windows 11 crisis, a brief introduction to what's happening and the deeper issue behind it. As mentioned earlier, this is only the beginning. There are 5 more critical decisions we still need to uncover. And in the next video, we'll examine how major business leaders, industry experts, and everyday Windows users around the world are reacting to Windows 11. So if you don't want to miss the full story, make sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and share this video with others who care about technology. Don't forget to like the video and leave your thoughts in the comments below. This was part 1. I'll see you in part 2. Until then, stay curious and stay informed.